Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today we talk about cookie concept and how to implement in our website through Google Tag Manager. Okay, why is cookie consent important? If you use cookie to collect personal information from user, you will likely need to comply with cookie compliance law. Consider your user expectation. Many users expect website to obtain their consent before placing cookie on their device. If you do not obtain consent, you may risk losing their trust. When you go to your Google Ads account, there is a thread, right? Review which Google service can receive consent personal data from the European Economic Area. So without setting consent banner, you can't receive data from the customer. It's totally illegal. So you must apply the cookie consent banner in your website when you want to collect your customer data. Okay, uh, today we will set the cookie consent banner through Google Tag Manager. So at first we are using the Cookiebot. Okay, let's go to Cookiebot. We have to create a account at Cookiebot. Type the Cookiebot and go to the first URL. This is the Cookiebot website. We can go for free for trial, and after that we will upgrade our plan. Okay, at first we have to create an account here. Let's go free trial. You can use your email and you can use your Google account also. We go for Google account. Sometimes it needs which Google Ads you want to active. I have already account, so it's comes to the dashboard. Let's go to domain and allies section, and we have to add our domain here. Okay, this is our domain. So at first we copy the URL, then in the domain section copy the add domain section and paste here, and we're going to the monthly package. Add domain, complete here. If you want, then you can upgrade here anytime. There is an option upgrade here. First we're going to free plan. You can upgrade. Here is the light, smaller, medium, and large plan. This is the configuration section, and this is the implementation section. Configuration section. This is the layout. If we go with dialog, then our banner will be show like this. And if we go to bar section, then it's showing in the bottom line. Whatever you want, you can choose. Now we are going to the dialog section. There is a design. If you want, you can change the logo, you can add the logo. If you want, you can implement here. Choose We are going to the horizon section. You can add the multi-level bar or accept only or accept or decline option. You can say only allow or deny, whatever you want. But we are go to the multi-level. Then pattern section. There is section if you want the allow all section or okay. But we want to go with every section, reject all, selection, allow. Okay. If you want to show it for every visitor, every country who want go to it your or who wants visit your website. If you want, you can provide it for any specific country. You can change your language also. You can add language. This is the privacy section. You can change your color, everything. You can show it bottom. This is the implementation section. You have to use only ID, the ID. Just copy it, the full tag manager. At first, we have to add one templates to the template section and search gallery, search here, keyboard, template, add to workplace, then add. Now we have to create one tag for the section, new tag, select Cookiebot CMP, paste the cookie ID, enable with URL pass to because you want to pass the URL, consent installation for all pages. Save and submit it. Let's go to the preview mode. Is it working or not? Connected. Okay. We can see our cookie consent banner is working. We allow 1 second. Then only analytic storage is granted and security storage is granted. Again, we allow all the section reference and everything. Then for all the section add storage, analytic storage, add user, everything is granted. Thank you so much for watching.